Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by verifying the AirTag uses a CR2032 cell and grab a fresh one. This matters because not all button cells fit. Once ready, lay the AirTag face down on a soft cloth to avoid scratches. Press firmly on the stainless steel back and turn counterclockwise until the cap stops. When the cap releases, lift it and note spring position. This ensures correct polarity. If you feel resistance, stop and recheck your angle. A misaligned press can delay removal. Now remove the depleted cell carefully with your thumb or a non-metal tool to avoid shorting. Observe the old battery's polarity. The plus side should face up when you insert the new CR2032. Place the new battery in gently, making sure it sits flat and the spring contacts touch. Next, align the 3 cap tabs with the slots on the body, set the cap down, and twist clockwise until it clicks into place. This secures the seal and re-engages the internal contacts. To finish, bring the AirTag close to your iPhone and confirm it appears in Find My. This proves the contact and battery are good. If the AirTag doesn't show up, reopen the cap, reseat the battery firmly, and try again. Sometimes a small shift prevents contact. If it still fails, swap in a different plane CR2032, avoid coatings that block contact. Finally, make sure the cap is fully twisted. A loose cap can interrupt the circuit and mimic a dead battery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.